All right, so here's the plant that we're gonna work on. As you can see, it's pretty much, it's trying to call home, but we're gonna revive it. We're gonna put some soil water trap up in there, and we're gonna let it do its thing, because not only is soil water trap, does it keep the water, the plants hydrated, but it's also good for the plant. So let me pull all this stuff out of here. We don't need this stuff. All right, and then what we gotta do is we're gonna have to pull this whole plants out by the roots. So let me go ahead and get my soil water trap ready. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon. I'm not gonna do a whole teaspoon in here. I think I'm gonna do just about, maybe I'll do a teaspoon and a half, something like that. Okay. So the first thing I have to do is get this thing lifted up. And I don't know much about plants, so I hope I don't kill this one. And I feel like I might be putting a lot of stress on the roots. My wife is gonna kill me. This is a plant that she's been caring for. So let me just dig down in there. And that's what I'm gonna do. Dig down all the way. And then just pull it on up. All right. Then I'm gonna take just this. Well, let me first get some of this soil around. I'm just gonna sprinkle. That's all we need. Not even that much. So we didn't even use the whole amount. Didn't even use the whole teaspoon and a half. And I think that's gonna do it, which is just a little bit more. But you don't wanna do too much, because after a while, the gel may start to come up out of the top of the plant, and you don't want that. So we're gonna put that back in there like so. We're gonna put all this dirt back in.